Hello viewers, let's get started another video here in my YouTube channel. Okay, today's my topic is what is a virtual data room. What is a virtual data room? Please sing. CD. American. This is the create and feed in this video, and where in the latest and feed is the virtual data room. What is a virtual data room? Virtual data room is the name suggests a virtual data room or BDR. Yeah. BDR also BDR means virtual data room. Virtual data room is one of the major cases in this. It's an online database in which companies can store and share confidential information, usually used during a financial transaction. VDRs are also used as the ongoing document repositories, allowing the business to organize critical business documents for easy, secure access. VDRs used by the companies to secure, store, and share critical and sensitive data. Critical and sensitive data are most commonly used during deals. The information stored in a data room is generally provide documentation that is considered to be high value to the company or owner of the data room. Of course, in addition to the traditional record keeping that is record from many financial, legal, and tax matters, a lot of companies have other important documents and information they need to retain and would like to store safely to ensure that it is the remain confidential. For example, items relating to intellectual property such as trade secrets and the copywriting work must to be complimented the access also the stored in the highly secure location. My Kashi is here now right now in this company in the payload in the very good and one of the major cases on these areas. The BDRs in the virtual data room is a confidential with according to the virtual data room. A virtual data room is a major focus and case in this underline. And the virtual data room use another companies and use another person in this right now. Okay, this is the virtual data room. The name suggests virtual in the secure and online data room. The virtual data room is a major case in these areas of the big size in this land. The video in the virtual room. but alternate parameter right now in the method case of this. Thank you so much in my video everybody.